The libraries are only the books that were kept on shelves or closed cupboards. After that, open access movement started. Open access system, I can say. Then use of the latest technologies for the various activities of the libraries. And this changes, what are the changes we can see in the libraries in the contemporary world? Physical to virtual libraries now. Earlier, this physical libraries, only we were keeping the books or some other resources, particularly the magnetic disc or tape, that's all. And after that, CD, DVD, etc. Now, these are the trends we can say, or the developments we can say. This is what you call, I can say, this meta transformation in the libraries. It is actually physical to virtual libraries means creating it is a balance with the physical facilities with the increasing demand for the digital materials. The first lecture I told, now most of the users are techno-savvy people. They need, they like to read the books on their tab or mobile. This is e-books, e-journals, etc. That's why library concept has also changed along with the physical facilities or the physical collection. We are keeping the digital also, digital materials. Along with the books, we are procuring various other digital resources, maybe the CD or it may be the DVD. It is in the form of the CD or in the DVD, or it may be other online resources we are getting through subscription basis. This is the one change we can see. Individual to community libraries. Individual to community libraries. Accommodating the need of this individual to connect with the community engagement. Earlier, we were concentrating only on our library. Now it is not like that. It is the community libraries. Public libraries particularly have changed much in this regard. They are giving various services. It is now changed as a community center, I can say. It is collection to creation centers. And but now we have to develop some of the products. We have to develop our website. We have to develop that content, etc. These are some changes we can see. Collection to creation libraries, transforming the libraries into facilities for media creation, not just consumption. We have to concentrate on, along with this consumption, okay, the using the resources, but also we have to create and develop the content. In that line, we are thinking. Portal to the archival libraries. The balancing need of the physical and the digital archives. Now many libraries, why they are concentrating mainly on developing digital libraries because of that. They are concentrated much on development of a digital library or institutional repositories, because their work is beyond this issue and the written. or just a portal means creating, not only the creating the website, but also archiving the resources pertaining to their institution or related to their libraries also, or the society sometimes. Here, how much change, or what are these changes we can see? The traditional libraries are called as traditional library, and after that, the automated library concept has developed. Then electronic library we are calling. Then digital library.
Happy
Then,
birthday to you, G.
then hybrid libraries, etc. These are some of the developments what we can see: traditional, automated library, electronic library, digital library, virtual library, hybrid library, etc. Now you can see, apart from this, the smart libraries, green libraries, smart libraries, green library concept has also developed. These are coming under the category of hybrid library.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Participants, please mute yourself, please. Chandrashekara, please mute.
yeah.
Participants,
Okay. Participants request to mute your systems along with your children also attending the classes. It's good moment.
sir is Raghavendra. Raghavendra, sir, please mute yourself, sir. Okay, sir. Continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Your good name?
Sir, Naveen, sir.
Okay. Next, this information, this is already in continuation to that, information is available in various formats. I already told it may be available in print, it may be available in digital, it may be available in other audio, video formats, or in online. It may be ebooks, e-journals, etc., e-databases, or e-databases. So changing environment in the librarianship, this is some of the changes also we can see. In the case of survival of fit test, the librarians and the information specialists need to re-establish, or they have to rethink re-establish their roles, self-image, motivational parameters in order to deal with the ever-changing information environment. This is what the many our library friends are doing. Many of the library professions are in their institutions involved in various activities. We are in our area also many librarians are involved in various activities of the library, activities of their institution or the college. Particularly, they serve as a RUSA coordinator, NAC coordinator, and this ICT in charge. There are many responsibilities they are taking along with the librarian role. Along with the librarian work, they're also doing extra work and taking the responsibilities in their institution. That will boost their image. They can.
Chandrashekara sir.
Tell me, sir.
Chandrashekara sir. Sir, some disturbance is coming.
Some disturbance is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, participants, sir. Hello, friends. Please mute your system.
Sir, you only mute in that side, sir.
No, here, no, that they have to do, I think.
Chetan.
No, we can do, but here.
Yeah, Mr. Chetan has not muted, sir.
Chetan has to do.
Sir, I have muted. I am muted, sir.
Muted,
Ah,
Good, good. Now it is not coming.
Okay, sir. Now it is clear.
Now it's clear, no? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Continue that one. I told this, the concept of changing environment to the librarianship. How librarians' role has been changed. How they can get this image in the institution. How can develop their, or how can they can develop their image in their institutions. In this regard, I already told that the many of them are actually involved in the various activities in their colleges or institution. This is a more important to the librarians or the library professionals, I can say. Along with that, their library work, should concentrate on other work also. Then they will get a very good recognition. This is what many of our friends they are doing. I already told. With the dramatic changes in the digital revolution, various changes we can see also. The form of the changes in the form of the libraries that I told, the libraries have been changed now. For example, my student, one of the student here is, you can see the PS library, there he did lot of the changes. Okay, that way we have visited a KMC, like Manipal Academy of Higher Education Library, and there some of the Acharya Institute, Bangalore, and some of the libraries, they did very many things in the library. They have introduced some of the best practices or the innovative practices in the libraries, and the structure also, they have changed the library structure, and this is what we need. We have visited this IIT Ahmedabad and other places. What will do? They are introducing many concepts, the best practices they are adopting in the libraries. This is what the society is expecting, or our students are expecting. Changes in the way collections are acquainted, organized, and this stored and delivered. Because all these have the change. Changes the way collection are acquainted and the organization, stored and the delivered. Because now earlier we were only purchasing the books and the, procuring journals. Now it is not like that. Along with that, now we have to concentrate on getting this e-books, purchasing e-books and procuring e-journals, then other e-databases, etc. All these are the activities are there. Changes in the outlook of the library building and also the facilities. Library building also changed. Now, maker space, you know that one, maker space. Along with in the library, many people they think that in the library, along with the library, some tea, coffee, and this some small canteen type. Okay, it should be there. In the KMC Manipal Academy of Higher Education, that library, 4 floors are there. That in the ground floor it is there. So like that way, the people are expecting that one, or our users are expecting. If they are tired in such a case, they can go and they take one cup of tea, okay, or they can in the lounge, they can read the books along with they can take the tea also. Mentality has changed, and that's why we also have to change. There is no other alternative. Okay, this is what we have to do. Then next, what is important? What we can impact of the ICT on the libraries. Okay, for all these changes, the important thing is the innovative or the developments the ICT. Okay, what we are using this, we are adopting this ICT in our libraries. This is what we have to do. Innovative ICT has taken over the information society. As a result, some of the implications are challenging areas for the libraries. One is ensuring quality, integrity, and curation of the digital research information. This is one challenging job. Ensuring quality is also, or the bringing the quality and integrity and the curation. Then another one is sustaining today's evolving digital service environment. Uh, that is another how to give this service this services. All our people, the NAC people are coming, they're saying this, that, okay, allow one person in the college. I think the university setup, no problem, I know. But in the college, only one man army. They have to do lot of work. Okay, not only the library, giving the books, this, that, and along with that, the NAC people also telling, okay, you have to, what are the best practices introduced? What are the innovative practices? Okay, and along with that, for librarians, institution side also, they are giving a lot of work. Okay, various responsibilities. Okay, these are the things are that in that we have to survive. Okay, we have to survive. Okay, so then we have to adopt ICT. Okay, information and communication technology in our life. Then bridging and the connecting the different worlds, disciplines, and other paradigms for the knowledge and understanding. This is another important thing. This through the this ICT, we are doing all these things, bridging and connecting different worlds. Because now you know that one through online, we are connecting many people. I am seeing you people. Okay, how within this COVID period also, I can talk with you, I can discuss with you. Okay, all this will be possible, isn't it? This work and the world disciplines and this paradigms for this knowing and understanding. Okay, because we are asking with the friends, we are talking with the one expert is in America or in Australia or in London. Even though we can talk with them, isn't it? Easily we can talk. Okay, we can discuss. Okay, relating to our research, relating to our library development, relating to our this some other project. Okay, all this will be possible through this through ICT only. Then archiving the research data in a data world. Archiving data, because archiving the research data will be possible, because this is also important. Okay, archiving research data in the digital data world. Data is more important. Any type of data, it may be video data, audio data, whatever may be. Okay, these are required. In our university, we are having a very good surveillance. Okay, morning I was in that. Okay, so we have very good this data center, because in that data center we are all this one this surveillance, everything we are capturing. No, this we are putting that all the data will be kept in that or stored in that. So archiving research data, what is important? No, the research data, whatever our researchers are doing or the teachers are doing, and that data we have to preserve. Where we can preserve, we have to digitize this one. We have to digitize and we have to keep it on our server. Okay, this we have to do. Next. Then essentially of having the competency of the use of information effectively has also been suggested by the management gurus from various for any this organized success, because this is a they have many people have suggested what is important. Finally, along with the ICT, important is the information. We have to give the information to the people. As the information professionals, we have to give information to the various the people. That is our responsibility. Also, we have to give proper this information to that's you know that one. Okay, right information to the right time to the right people. Okay, or the user. This as a use of information effectively has suggested by many management gurus. Okay, this is one Derek Castin, this sorry Peter Drucker, you know, this well-known management this guru marketing. And then in his book Post Capital Society, and another one is managing this in turbulent this times. And Senge PM is a fifth discipline of the art and the practice of this learning organization. Then Grainer also, okay, managing the information, your self-development action plan. Okay, these are the many books also stress, not only the library science books, but also many other books also stress the importance of information. So this is the concept, you know, this one, information and the literacy. Okay, literacy. Okay, we have to literate our this users, literate our users. Okay, this is what you have to do. Here, importance of information handling and the use. What is important? Several reports have also emphasized the importance of finding, evaluating, using information in our modern society. So I'll concentrate only this last part and concentrate what role actually we have to play. Okay, as the LIS professionals, what role we have to play. This is more important, and other things I think you know this one. Okay. So competence to use this information, the skills and competency relating to the selection and efficient use of the information becomes more crucial. This is a, but as a librarian, you know this one, how to select, how to that get one. But how the people should know, because people are not aware. People are not aware about this, how to select. There are gamut of this resources are available. Out of this, how I can select the resources. That knowledge, that literacy, what the users are expecting from us. Okay, that if you are giving that one, it will help for their lifelong learning. Okay. This is important. The next, this information, what we important today's information driven world, there is a need to move from information for all to information literacy for all. Information for all. It is the concept is there because all are needed information, one or the other purpose. But information literacy for all is more important. We have to make them literate. We have to make them literate how to use this information. So here, information literacy is the contemporary, the empower one with the required knowledge about information, its nature and available formats. Okay, skills to fetch the relevant information. This is also I told. And by shifting this irrelevant and attitude for consuming and sharing information by ethical means and practice, because they are stressing, all are stressing about the ethical means of use of information. Okay, because this is a fair use of information concept. Development of the concept, I'll concentrate one little bit about that development. Here, one of the important development is Paul Zurkowski. In the 1974, he has developed the concept information literacy. Okay, development. Then here we can see Bertinel in 1976 used the term. Then Paul Jarkowski, the Information Industry Association, viewed and the growing need of better handling and use of this increasing proliferation of information in the workplace, recognized the need to be able to use tools as well as information sources. He has used the term information literate, a new set of skill. Okay. So next we can see after that also 1974 the concept developed, 1983 a nation at risk. Okay, this is one. Next 86 also, see this one. 83, one of the important a nation at risk. The imperative for education reform shows that Americans are raising the new generation of Americans that is scientifically and technologically literate. 86, educating students to think, that concept they have introduced. Then 1984, information skills for information society, a review of research. So in that they have includes library skills and the computer skills, etc. Then 88, information power, guidelines for school library media programs. 1989, National Forum on Information Literacy has been developed. It is a coalition of more than 65 national organizations. They had its first meeting. Then we can see 1998 as information power building, this partnership for learning that also started. Next we can see some of the other developments. We can see IFPLA has contributed much for the development of information literacy. They have framed guidelines, and American college and the research libraries also developed some of the guidelines as well as the standards relating to information literacy. Definition, I don't want to, I think, concentrate much on this. Meaning, in one important, we can see one definition that is according to college and research libraries. Okay, this is more important. Schedule ACRL. Okay, according to the Association of College and Research Libraries, information literacy is a set of abilities required individuals to recognize when information is needed, and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. This is one of the important definition, or the very good definition what I can say. Information literacy is a set of abilities required in the recognize when information is needed. Okay, when information is needed, then and have the ability to locate, because what is important when actually they need information is one, how to locate this one, okay, and how to evaluate and then use, okay, use effectively the needed information. Okay, this is what everyone should have this knowledge. They should possess this knowledge. Okay, this how to get this, that ability they are having, then it's no problem. If they are not having the ability, what we have to do? We have to teach them. Okay, how to this what is the type of information is available, what are the types, and how to locate this information, how to evaluate this data, how to use effectively the needed information. Okay, then this I'll skip all these things. And what is information literacy final? It is a ability to locate, organize, evaluate, and use of information. Okay, locating information, organizing information, evaluating information, and also the use. Then it is a combination, combines how information literacy as concept has a many concept has a clubbed together. It is a combines computer literacy as well as the research skills, important for the research academics achievements, and this is a basic for lifelong learning. Okay, lifelong. Once we learn how to locate, how to organize, how to evaluate, how to use this information, and then lifelong there is no problem. Okay, they can. IL covers some of the experiences, the use of information technology, some of the experiences. Nowadays, what is needed? Use of information technology, use of information sources, executing a process, and controlling the information for retrieval, because you have to retrieve from various databases. And gaining knowledge, extended knowledge, guiding wisdom. Okay, this gaining wisdom. Okay, this I'll skip. Literacy concept, you know that one. What are this are available? Related terms. Earlier that concept, this bibliographical instruction, user education, etc. Now the concept has changed. Information fluency is the latest one. Capability or this mastering of the information competencies. User education, library instructions, or it is there from many years. Okay, and bibliographical instructions also. Library instruction, bibliographical instruction, and also this, all these are coming, you know that one from user education program under that, isn't it? Then information skills, developing of information skills, etc. Or information competence. There is difference between competency and the literacy. Competency and the skill. Okay, this is the information literacy. There are many types are there: media literacy, network literacy, computer literacy, then library instruction, cultural literacy, or then virtual literacy, etc. These are why there is an increasing interest in information literacy today, because this are already I told there are many resources are available, plenty of resources are available, so that the people should know how to locate, how to evaluate, etc. They are expanding the quantity of information overload. It is different from forms, different forms of the materials are available in different places. Everything, because everything, almost all the resources are available in electronic format. Uncertain quality, because quality is how we can gauge this quality, assess the quality. Okay, this is also many problems, but as a LIS professionals, we know somewhat how to evaluate, because we are learning what are the criteria to be used, what are the checkpoints to be used, what are the criteria to be used for evaluating the printed as well as electronic resource. Another concept, you know, the plagiarism. Okay, plagiarism is another concept, and these are the many things. And why information literacy? Because equip individuals for life. This I told. Why equip individuals for lifelong learning, and more than knowing how to use computers as well as the technology. includes critical analysis of information, the thinking, okay, whether it is needed or not, whether it is a quality one, not, okay, whether it's important to them or not, okay, these are the knowledge, critical analysis of the information, highlight the global nature of the information, allows use of relevant information for informed decision making. There are two types of resources are available. Some are relevant, some are irrelevant. Okay, we should know the knowledge. We should possess the knowledge of bifurcating this one, and information citizens, consumers, and professionals, individuals. Because nowadays, informed citizens and consumers, professionals, and individuals. Okay, all these people, they should know what is how to. That's the concept is come how to locate, how to organize, how to use. Okay, use information. Okay, then this year. Okay. Need for information, locate, access, I told, self-motivated learners, effective communication, recognize information, develop and implementations, use of ICT for all, literacy, changing the library environment. Okay, objectives like this. Types of, I already told, there are, what are the types are available. This is a key to lifelong learning. This I many times I told, okay. It is key to lifelong learning. Once we taught this on how to information literacy skills, then they can develop, anyone can. Advantages, saving of the time by information skills, okay, saving the time. If you know that one information literacy skills, or our users are knowing, then they can save the time. Okay, they know which one is the best, which one is the not less important, which one is important, what is less important, which one is qualitative, which is not qualitative, which is relevant, which is not relevant, all the things. Okay, effective deployment of the information services. Okay, then best use of variety of information resources, then to add value to the profession as a whole, effective use of stack, abundant information choices are there, unfiltered information raising questions of validity, reliability, and authenticity. These are things I told, because it is there. A lot of resources are available, and validity, checking the validity, reliability, and authenticity is more important. Use of information literacy is to solve problems and make decisions. If you take the right decision, information is required. Share knowledge using appropriate formats for intended audience. Okay, this is one. And then learn independently throughout life. If you are taught once, they can build up in that. Okay, how adopt the new technologies such as social networks. Social networks, they can wikis, blogs, RSS, podcast, instant messages. Okay, all this. What will happen? No, literacy information is available in various forms. I told it is not only available on printed format, but also available in a electronic format. Electronic format in the means it is not only available in a on databases, e-books, e-journals, e-database, but there are many more formats, many more for many, because now websites, in the websites, you know that one, Facebook link, Twitter link, Instagram, this, that, there are many are. We have web 2.0 and 3.0, everything is available in that. And then they should know how they should know how to search from Google. Simple search, there are advanced search. You know that on advanced search, in that there are many features. And advanced search also, if you are searching, you know, how we can search the Creative Common license documents. Okay, license documents. Okay, these are the, and how to restrict the year-wise search. These are the many aspects are discovery. Okay, e-resource discovery or web discovery tools are there. Okay, so how we can this knowledge should be one should possess. Okay, for this information literacy is very much needed. Okay, then this is, I'll skip this one, because literacy standards, you know, there are many standards are available. Okay, you mute your this phone. Information literacy standards. Some of the standards are very helpful to higher education. One is American Association of School Libraries. One, Then and ACRL is very important. Information literacy comprehensive standards for higher education by Association of College and Research Library. This is a very good one. Then Council of Australian University Librarians. Then Australian New Zealand Information Literacy Framework. This one. Information standards for teacher education also they develop. This is a teacher education. This is mainly based on this ACRL standard only. Next. According to Daly, what 1992 he told, information person is one who recognizes that accurate and complete information is the basis for intelligent decision making. He says that how this information person is means who, okay, because recognize the need for information, you should possess that knowledge, formulate the questions based on the information, identify the potential sources of information, develop successful search strategies, because there's many people they are lacking this one, okay. How to frame the search strategies that I told, no, Google, just with the Google. Then if you know they don't know how to search from the Google, then how they can search from the very big databases, American Chemical Society, okay, isn't it? So I find that is there because all this how they can from or how they can access some of the videos, free videos. Then how they can search some other resources from databases, for example, Web of Science or the Scopus or many, you know this one. Okay. So then access the source of information in computer-based electronic. This I told. Evaluate information collected by various resources. Then organizing information for practical applications, because organizing more important, and integrating new information in an existing body of knowledge. Then use information in the critical thinking and problem solving. Use information in a ethical manner, okay, proper manner, okay. Then they should know this. What is a copyright? What is a plagiarism? What is ethical? What is unethical use of information relating to use I'm talking, okay. Use of information. Then use information in critical thinking and the problem solving, okay. Then models, you know that models, Snokel model that I tell you this one. Literacy standards, very good one. Here pages of, no, this is not one more, okay. Levels, entry level, upgradation, middle level, then higher level, advanced level. This is the levels of then क्या मैडम? Entry level undergraduate, middle level major disciplines, high level graduates and advanced faculty level. Programs, how we have to conduct this, the planning also we have to do, okay. Instructional programs, okay. Then identify you this your who should involve, how many people should involve, and how to this do all these things. There are many things are there. Program. Okay. IL instruct programs, action plan. How we have to, because I skipped some of the important things, some of the things, because you know all these things, information related, information literacy, that advantages, disadvantages, these, that, many things. Okay, I will concentrate some of beyond this, some other aspects. That's why I'm skipping all some of the irrelevant things or the snaps I can see. Here, what you have to do now, this IL program. One is mission and the values, and the objectives should be framed. What is our mission and the values? Then objectives and goals of these objectives, and also the action program. Then other things will come. Okay, how do we have to conduct, etc. Then and we have to reach this our vision. And the opportunity, challenges, external environment is also you have to scan, and who should be involved in that, and strength, weakness of internal environment, also external environment. So some disturbances later. Then this is for this what is important now, I told This is critical information literacy. In that critical thinking, I told skills are very much important. I told skills. There are types of some of the skills and the competencies are very much needed. One is a behavioral or life skills and the competencies very much needed, and functional or the technical competencies needed, professional competencies and the personal competencies. Okay, we have to provide this information literacy, okay, to the people or our users. Okay, we have to make them literate. This is our target. Okay, then we the LIS professionals, we should possess some of the skills and the competencies. What competencies we should know? Life skills, technical skills, professional skills, and also the personal competencies. Okay, these are very much needed. Okay. Then levels of competencies: core competency, key competency, critical competencies. Okay, then I'll tell you about skills for 21st century that I skipped. Okay, technical skills, what will come? ICT skills. One is operating system and other utilities. On operating systems, we should know. Some of them, they are not even knowing this. What is this Windows, this, that. If you ask them now, this, in which platform you are working, not the LS, because professionals I am telling. Some of the users, if you ask in which platform you are working, then they will say, I am because in a bus, they will in which platform you are working means automatically they write or something if are given for writing. There is a bus platform, railway platform, all this they will write. Okay, platform is nothing but the operating system, isn't it? Operating systems. Okay, this is what happening. So what our intention, because all of our learning that way only, because okay, so then we have to tell them, okay, these are the operating system, these are the field available, all this. Okay, then our library professions, I think majority of the majority of you know that very well about, because the technically sound, most of the our LIS professionals. What is important, I can say technical skills, if they are not knowing, because operating skills very much require. Other skills, languages, DBMS, RDBMS are the content management systems. Then packages, some. It is Excel or the Word or just the PowerPoint or the Access or the knowledge of the library automation software. This is from our, what is it? This is more, very, very important. Some of the OS is required, operating system, apart from this MS Office, then library automation and the digital library. If you know this much, then it is okay, enough. Okay, if you know that much knowledge, then it's okay. Next technical skills, I told web awareness, web HTML or XML. Okay, front page. This is what we are not developing many sometimes, but we should know knowledge. We have to create one develop one library website. Okay, then we have to tell them, oh, this should come here, this should come here, these are the components should come. Okay, all these things. Then if you are knowing some background information about that HTML, then it will help. My front page is now not there. Web page is a design, image technology, then optical character recognition, then cataloging and metadata, user interface design, knowledge of other online facilities as well as services, internet surfing. Okay, if you know ourselves, then we can easily tell to the others. Search engines. There's two types of search engine. You know, there's general search engine as well as the meta search engine. General search engine and the meta. Meta, this dog file and the many meta crawler, etc. are available. And types are two. One is a text-based. This browser will come. Browser. There are two types of browser. One is a text browser, and another one is GUI. Okay, GUI, graphical user interface. This is what are these? We should know. Then email is no problem. Everyone know. Proficiency with the search techniques. This is many of our users are lacking. Okay, but this search skills. Then web directories. What are the web directories are available? That also we should know. And subject gateways, web portals. Subject gateways, it may be the SOSIG or it may be the Biomi, it may be Omni. Okay, there are many are available. Adam, yes, these are available. Many are available. Subject gateways. Then Next, we have electronic bulletin boards, electronic document delivery services, CD-ROM searching. How? Because now CD or the DVD, but now many of the resources are available online. Use of OPAC and the web OPAC. Use of OPAC and the web OPAC, and also retrospective conversion, record. How to this do? How to create metadata? This is more important. Okay, how to create metadata? Now RDA ACR 2 it was there, and now RDA is very popular. FRBR. Okay, this is more important. Like how to create this metadata for the various types of resources, visual resources, then other. Okay, these are the knowledge one has to possess. Okay. Next, managerial skills. Managerial skills in that general manager skills on research and the project management skills. If you are doing this project work, so some project you are taking, automation project. In such cases, project management, how to handle is more important. Research management skills, resource management is more important, because how to manage the resources available at our library, etc. Systems management. Okay, it is a library as a system, you know that one. It contains many subsystems. Then personal and the financial management skills. Personal means you are managing the people. Many people, you are managing the many people. And then as a LIS professionals, we should have the skills. Then financial, there is no problem. I think you are purchasing a lot of the resources to your library. Then you are good with financial manager, I can say, because you are doing a lot of work. How to, you know, that how to get the resources, budgeting, this, that, and many knowledge you are having. And the fundraising skills. Fundraising is somewhat difficult also, fundraising. Then effective leadership skills. Leadership is more important in the if we are working with the library, because librarians is need a lot of leadership skills, effective, and marketing skills also, because nowadays many people are telling users are not coming to the library. Users are not coming to the library. Many are telling Google has been replaced the libraries. These are the things. So how we can market our libraries? Okay, this is then we should possess the marketing skills also. Marketing. How we can attract our customers. We have to think our clients are our customers. Our members or the library users are our clients or our customers. Then what you have to do, if you give the better service, good service, then they will be delighted. Customer will be delighted. Okay, means they are happy. Okay, if they are happy, we are also happy. This is the concept. Then we should have very good marketing skills. Then customer relationship skills. Okay, customer relations. We are considering them they are our customers. If they are not coming, what we can do? Okay, then automatically we have to keep very good rapport with them, this customer relationship. Then or the members, this users relationship. Collection management skills. Then information skills. What is important? Collection management skills, information organization skills. Then information retrieval skills, digital reference and information service skills. Okay, digital reference as well as information service skills. Then skills related to various types of user studies and the user education. How we can give the user education programs. Now we are calling, instead of user education, we are calling it as an information literacy program. Literacy program. How we can literate them, how we can teach them, how we can tell them, okay, what are the resources are available, etc. These skills, all these skills. And another important thing I can tell you, we all, because should have presentation skills. Presentation. Okay. How to present? Because as a library professionals, we are working hard. I know that. Okay, my friends are working. You are working hard. Because along with that, we should, if we are not having the presentation, that are also very important. We have to go to the student and we have to teach them what are the resources are available, how we can use, how we can access, etc. This is more important. Then presentation is important to our LIS person. Skills for providing value-added information, products as well as the services. Products. Now many people are telling that the information, products and services. Products and services. That what products? This is another thing. How we can create this or the develop information and products, that also one has to see. Then literacy skills, I'll tell you about this because all these things, the managerial skills, technical skills, general skills, everything is all. Literacy skills, here LIS professions are required to be information literate, required an understanding of various aspects. One, the need for information. They should know need for information, the resources available. One is what is the need of information? Okay, we have to study the user's mentality. For that, user this educational programs should be conducted. So, user studies programs should be conducted. Through that, we can get what they are expecting from our library, what is their need, okay, etc. The resources available. What are the resources available? We should have clear picture about that. The library, what are the resources are available in our library? Then, how to find information? This how to find, because how to get this information, and need to evaluate results. Evaluate the results. Then ethics and responsibility of use, including the fair use. As I told, ethical use of information, ethics, and the responsibility of use of information. Many people, many times we are seeing that many are not aware of how to quote these references also. This is a more problematic. This is quoting. Where APA or other many tools are available. You know, this Mendeley, there tools are available. These citation styles are available. You know that one. It may be APA, it may be this Chicago style or MLA, whatever maybe they can use. Okay, or style manners they can use. But and for this also there is no need of manually doing, because the tools are available. It may Jotaro available, Mendeley is available, or the your MS Word itself available. Okay, so these are the tools are available. By making use of these tools, they can easily do all these things. So that's one. Next, uh, next. Next is know to communicate, to share the findings of the information search. Okay, findings. One thing I'll tell you, the good practice. Whenever this we are taking this book list from the request from this our members. Okay, before this purchasing, what we are doing, we are getting this request from the head of the department or the users of our library or the members of our library, isn't it? For books or any library materials. So after getting the list, we are telling them to give this on priority basis, because we have to see that one, how much the fund is there, the budget allocated budget. If 50 lakhs means they will give 100. Okay, one this 50,000 means they will give 1 lakh worth of this books list. So then we are telling them a priority basis you give. After this purchasing, after completing the process, we have to intimate them out of this the given the book list, how many books we have purchased. Okay, that list should be provided to the head of the, once again the head of, to the head of the department. Okay, this is what ISO people are always stressing. ISO people or the editors are studying, because you are taking this request. It's okay, no problem, request from these members for books. But after this request, we have to intimate them. Okay, these are the books we have purchased. Okay, this list should be provided to them. Okay, this is one. How to manage the findings of information search, knowledge about the copyright violation. Okay, this is more important today. You know that one. Okay, once again, I'll come to it. It's now coming. What is copyright? What is a copyleft document? Okay, then knowledge about plagiarism. Okay, knowledge about plagiarism. This is more required. I think some of the resource persons they will take on all plagiarism aspect. Next, information literacy competency. What is actually required? Literacy competency include some of the information need and assess competency. Information communication competency. This already I mentioned that one. Communication competency. Competency of the ethical use of information. Information equality competency. Information search competency. Information access competency. This is actually competencies required. And there are some difference between this skill as well as the competency. Okay, skill as well as a competency. So let us see this. What is skill? Is a practical ability. Okay, skill is a practical ability. Competency is the set of knowledge and skills enable to employee to orient easily in the working field and solve some of the problems. Okay, this is okay that are linked with their professional role. Okay, this is that's why there is a difference between the skill as well as competence. Okay, this is given here. Skill is a practical ability, the facility in carrying out an action, whereas competence is often defined as understanding, attribute, and a mental ability that govern how to individual interact with the world. Okay, how to use these one skills. Okay, set of knowledge of the skills. This is competency. And then changing dimensions, contemporary world. Okay, core competency in LS professionals. This I told, professional ethics is one important as per given by McKinley 2006. For all these things, in the information literacy, whatever maybe this core competency is very much required for our LIS professionals. One is the professional ethics is more important. I think all of them are having, because I'm just telling what this McKinley says. Then resource building, because resource building competency, knowledge organization, because how to organize the knowledge classification, cataloging, metadata, this, that, all these things. Technological knowledge. This I already mentioned. What are the technological aspects of skills one has to possess? Knowledge dissemination services, because providing services to the users. That's also the right users dissemination. Okay, dissemination in the sense we have to give in a proper time the knowledge. Okay, so knowledge accumulation, education and lifelong learning, this one. Knowledge inquiry, this is the research, and also the institutional management. Okay, this all these core competencies very much required, because librarian, why? Because the teachers may come and go because after the class, whereas librarian is most of the time they are in the institution. Maybe the college or the university. University means many people are the librarian who are okay sometimes there. Okay, but college it is not like that. They are most of the time they are associating with the management. The means the principal or others. Okay, that way they are contributing much for the development of the institution also. So along with this, they should have some, along with the handling the information, they should have some institutional management capacity also, or the competency also. Okay, some leadership quality should be very much required. So then core competency, the shared knowledge and experience with the users and the colleagues. Knowledge they can share. Okay, they can take the classes, engage the classes, and then they can intimate to the users as well as the colleagues, and displays the excellent communication skills and is able to promote the library and advocate to its needs. Why this library is needed, why you should come, all these things you have to tell to them, and communicate effectively with the publishers and other information providers to advance the interest of the library. Okay, this is vendors. Then automatically you have to discuss with them, you have to negotiate with them, Okay, all this you have to do, web publishers also. Okay, they recognize the value of this professional networking and activity participating in a professional association. I think that most of them you are the members of many professional organizations. That is what basically required, highly required, I can say. Your contributions, I think our association is also not, many times I'm telling that in the degree level, no, at least the physical education has included in as a one of this the paper in a first year degree, environment science, constitution, physical education also. But what happened is our library science, there are many associations are there, they have to stress towards this. Then many people, they will get the opportunity also. Many people. Because if you're teaching to the first year students, means automatically first year degree students, automatically they need some people. Okay, some people. Then job opportunities will be the more. So that towards this library association has to work more. Then activity pursuing this personal and the professional growth through continuing education. Okay, activity pursues personal and professional growth. Okay, continuing education. After now getting the necessary professional skills. Okay, then they have to attend many conferences, seminars, workshops, etc., and get more knowledge. Then Parkers identify the components of the LIS professions are ability to embrace change. Okay, this one, ability to embrace change. Change is certain, I told that we have to accept no other choice. Comfort in online this, medium, they should be comfort in an online medium. Ability to troubleshoot new technologies, ability to easily learn new technologies, ability to keep up with the new ideas in technology as well as this librarianship. Okay, everything that one has to, we all should know. Okay, UNESCO also suggested 27th century survival literacies are basic core functional literacy, fluency, computer literacy, media literacy, distance education and e-learning, cultural literacy and information literacy. These are very much needed to all. Okay, then here one of the important thing I can say, digital citizenship. You should be a digital citizen because we are prepared, because we already if you are digital citizens, then we have to tell our users, okay, how to use these resources, how to make this use of these resources, etc. One is open access domain, open access, full electronic participation in the society. One, digital access, digital this commerce, digital communication, digital literacy, because this literacy is also very important. No, digital literacy. We have to literate them. We have to provide very good literacy to our users. We have to make them how to locate, how to organize, how to evaluate, how to ethically use of information. Okay, then we have to tell them, okay, these are the technologies are available. These are the electronic resources are available. These are the means databases are available, e-books are available, e-journals are available. These are free. These are our subscription, everything. And then along with that, we have to tell them, okay, these are the technologies are also available to access these. Okay, then digital etiquette, electronic standards of conduct or the procedure. Then conduct and procedure. Then the digital law. This is very important, and digital rights and responsibilities. Then digital health and wellness, digital security, because the digital security is an electronic precautions to guarantee the safety. Okay, safety is here library security, network security. Okay, putting how to this, what are the precautions we have to take. If you are maintaining the server, because we are spending a lot of time for preparing this OPAC. Any software you can use any integrated library management software. It may be the Koha, it may be this the Soul or any other. Okay, you only develop the software. okay, indigenous, because indigenous. So if you are using, then if you are automating, then automatically you have to fetch the data to that bibliographical data. You have to fetch. Okay, you have to type or key in the data, or you can import the data by using this ISO 2709 okay format. Okay, or by using the protocol Z39 protocol from the Library of Congress, you can get this one, the bibliographical data, and you can put it to your library automation software. Okay, this is all these things procedure, you know. Okay, everything retro conversion, everything you can do, but protecting our data is more important. If you are not protecting this data, what will happen? Whatever work we have this undergone or this rate, now it is near waste. Okay, so then security, digital security, and the data security, and the network security, or we can say, or the library security. Okay, all this in the library, if possible. Okay, we have to introduce okay some of the 3M technology, etc. So that's why you have to make them digital citizens. Okay, because digital citizenship is more important. They should know digital access, digital commerce, digital communication, digital literacy, digital etiquette and digital law, and the digital rights and responsibility, and digital health and wellness, as well as the digital security. Then, so apart from this, what is the time now? Okay. Role of librarians in imparting this information literacy. Here, I already told many skills are required. One, knowledge in what are the areas the knowledge are required. Okay, knowledge of the resources available, knowledge about the testing, okay, knowledge of the many this other aspects also we can see, knowledge of this knowledge with the what are the merits of these, etc. These are some of the aspects also you have to see, because that I skip because already I told you this one in my previous slide. This is a strategy also, client satisfaction, how we have to do, because I told whatever maybe you are doing, we are providing many information, introducing many information literacy programs, etc., etc. Finally, client satisfaction is more important. Okay, client should be satisfied. For this I told what I use the term customer delight. Okay, they should be delighted. Customer should be delighted, or customer should be happy. Okay, they feel happy. Then we also happy. Okay, then client satisfaction, retaining the clients and the making new clients through client satisfaction. So library means I told you many people are telling the library people are not coming, or the users are not coming. How you can attract all these things? Because we can introduce new practices, best practices, innovative practices, whatever you can do. Okay, but we have to retain the existing client, and also we have to attract the new clients. Then competition is there, secure competitive advantage through this through the client, and the change, we have to accept the change. Change is not this crisis anymore. Okay, but a change to those who prepared, because those who are ready to be make changes in the library. Because I told this client satisfaction we have to do. The competition is there today, because there is there in each and every field, because it is there. Okay, library also, it should be competitive. Okay, librarian should be somewhat this you should have this competitive spirit or the skills, and competitive spirit in that he has to move further and develop his life. And change is there automatically. Okay, for change we should be ready also. Okay, change whatever happening, we have to accept that. Okay, this is enough, I think. Credibility qualifications, that's many more. IL role of librarians, there are many, because information literacy role of libraries are many. What you have to do now, repository of the knowledge. Okay, institutional repository, how to develop this one knowledge is more important. Information reservoir in multiple formats, that's also center with the librarians who are information expert, because is a librarian is a center for information expert. Then what they are expecting the users? They are expecting many things from you. Okay. Then department wise the learning, this the spaces. Okay. That I told it should be the maker space or library space should be created. Then places for interaction with the learning peers and the teams. Okay, there should be an opportunity should be given for discussion. Okay, learning with the peers as well as the teams. That provision, but in the college library, how it is possible, I don't know, because in the university setup they can do. Okay, then space for the knowledge socialization, place with the information advisor or the reference specialist and the consultants. This library, how it should be library, how it should be there, all these things I am telling. Place with the information advisors, reference specialist and the consultants. Okay, center with the computer access, processing and communication of knowledge. Library should have some systems, because why the system is required? Because we are purchasing this some electronic resources or subscribe to some electronic resources. In such a case, what we needed, we need some systems, computer this systems with the internet access provision. Okay, then processing and the communication of the knowledge and gateway to the internet, the world of information. This I already told. Just not only we are keeping the systems, but it should be connected to internet. Then this is okay. These resources I'll skip. Last slide. This is the role of librarians. I already told this one. This also act as an information user before. This is one important slide. I'll concentrate. Then you can discuss anything. Library, the librarian should act as an information user before information disseminator. Okay, before this was giving the information or disseminating the information, they have to use the information. They should know how to use this information. Second one is providing orientation skills as source of information and its users. We have to give orientation. They should possess the orientation skills. Okay, orientation skills, why it is needed? We are giving this training the users of our library users. Then we should possess this orientation skill. Then build a new paradigms and the frames of analyzing this analysis among the users. We should know there are various types of the users are coming to the library, and who are this good, what are the good users, active users, passive users, etc. And that segregation, we should have the knowledge of that, how to make them, how to make this passive users to active users, etc. Direct participation in the faculty, staff, and community members, and also organization of frequent seminars and the workshops. We have to attend frequent even today, because we are also from last 27 years we are in the profession, but we are even today attending the conference, seminars, etc. Because something we can get, new friends we can get, new professionals we can talk, and information, new information, because now young or LIS professionals, they also sometimes contributing very good. They are bringing innovative ideas also. So this also helpful. Okay, this teacher is always the learner, I can say. Okay, teacher is always the learner. So participation in the classroom teaching on search strategies. This is another important thing, because first we should know how to search this one, how to search skills we have to possess, then we have to teach, we can teach others. And techniques are very much needed. The techniques and information collection as well as the disseminations, this I already told. Okay, these are the technologies or techniques are very much needed. This is, I think, somewhat lengthy. We can, and 7 rights of information. One is I think, before giving thanks, this and what is important? No, right to know the source, right to source and what is known, and the right to share with what is known, and right to this fairly use what is known, and right to assist others is knowing. Okay, then the right to improve knowledge, right to transfer knowledge, this known word. Okay, these are the concept one has to the qualities, okay, or the character one has to imbibe. Okay, I can say this is a more the 7 rights. Okay, right to know, right the source what is known, right to share, right to fairly use what is known, right to assist others and improve the knowledge, etc. Transform. Okay, and some of I can say finally what is important. You give this one Chinese proverb: if you give a man a fish, he will have single meal. If you teach him how to fish, he will eat all his lifetime. Okay, this is that's why we have to teach them. Okay, and make them as a lifelong learners. Lifelong learners. That's why we have to provide them, make them literate. Which literate? Information literate. Okay. Information literate means how to this collect, how to use, how to this organize, how to this evaluate, and how to use, etc. Okay, this is more important uh, to all users. So our LIS professionals, including okay, all of us, we have to properly teach our user community, particularly our teachers, research scholars, students. We have to be proper education. We have to educate them what they are not knowing. Okay, that we have to. And this is relating to information handling or information accessing, etc. So that this is our main duty. Also. In that regard, we all have to work continuously. Okay? This is what my expectation, as well as you are also thinking in that line. Okay. Then anything you want to say, or as this questions you want to ask, or something discussion, or we can.
So nobody is responding.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Tell me,
Good.
sir.
Fine.
Tell me,
What about participants? Do you have any doubts, clarification? You can interact with sir.
you can interact with me, or you can send the mail, whatever you can do, because as you like, as you as your wish.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello. Good evening, sir. I'm
Good evening.
Ranganath from Government First Aid School, Srirangpatna.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Just I want to the slides, sir. Can you send thing?
Okay, sir. We'll send you, because our HRDC office and this staff, they will send you all the information.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
No problem.
Actually, you don't expect same day. Same day you don't expect PPT and other things. The last day, all PPTs are sending to HRDC, and their complete PPTs will be put in CD, or else they will have a link. Finally you will get all the PPTs to participants.
Mallat sir, along with the certificate, you will send the ready material, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, yeah.
Evaluation is over.
Here, the director, Ranjan Swami is here, so they will send it later. Okay,
Yeah, right.
along with your certificate and CD also, all PPT.
What about attendance or OD facilities?
Just a minute, sir. After this session is over, I will talk to all the participants. Please stay online.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, they will call you. I think like what we do in class, you will ask one by one. The attendance will be, taken by,
Sir, hi.
HRDC staff.
Chandrashekar sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, I would like to say a vote of thanks for Chandrashekar sir.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. ID number 27.
Yes, sir. Praveen Adaskar.
Praveen
Adaskar, sir.
Propose vote of thanks.
Okay, sir. Okay. May I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, audible.
Okay, sir. Myself, Dr. Adaskar PV, librarian of DAV College, Solapur. I am here to make a vote of thanks of today's resource person, Dr. Chandrashekar M. We are very much thankful to today's resource person, Chandrashekar sir, for giving their valuable presentation on the topic information literacy. Also, we are very much thankful to the director, HRDC, Mysore University, and also to Professor Mallinath Kumhar sir, our course coordinator, and all the technical staff of HRDC who are trying their level best to provide maximum and punctual services to the fellow participants. Once again, I thanks to one and all, and with kind permission of the chair, I
Thank you,
conclude
sir.
today's
Thank you very much.
session.
Thank you very much.
Thank
To
you,
you
sir.
also.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
I request all the participants to stay online. I have a little clarification from the participant side. This is from HRDC Mysore. Hello?
Okay, okay.
Audible?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Among the list, who is this? RS. I want the name of the participant to prepare the attendance list and also for the purpose of certificate. Who is RS? In this participants list, I have gone to this one. RS. Who is RS? Only RS is appearing, not the name, full name. Whose name is this? Santosh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Santosh Kumar.
No, you're not yours. This one more RS. Who is RS? It's appearing. You are also observing that, I think. In the list, RS is appearing. Who is this RS? No? You only tell. I don't know.
One initial is there.
One initial is there. RS. Rupees. Whose name it is? Otherwise, I cannot able to prepare the attendance list, and also it is very difficult to prepare.
Ravi Chandra, sir. Is it Ravi Chandra? Is it Ravi Chandra?
You only tell.
No.
RS, because he's online now. You only tell. Okay.
Yes, is there not?
What about? Okay. Meantime, I will clarify one more thing. That is. Please be online. Who is 685305?
Harish, I renamed.
Renamed, okay, but
yes.
I have out. Harish, you know?
Harish YS, yes.
Harish?
YS.
Harish YS, okay, fine. What about GFGC KR Nagar?
Sir, Varadaraju sir already login. ವರದರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ
ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ವರದರಾಜ್ ಎನ್.
Who is that? Ubuntu. UBUNTU. Ubuntu.
Raghavendra renamed sir. Raghavendra AM.
Raghavendra
AM.
Raghavendra. Oh, just a minute. Raghavendra AM.
AM.
Ubuntu. It's not Ubuntu. It's Raghavendra AM.
It is renamed already.
Who is this one? TXHTAGFYZTU40. Who is this? Hello? TXH. Is it? I think Harish. Okay. Is it Satisha MV? Satisha MV.
Offline, sir.
Hello.
Satish offline. He went up. He is from Assam. Satish MV.
ಮೊದಲು TXHTAGF ಅಂತ ಈ ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರಾ? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದಾಗ ಆತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಅಂತ MV ಹಾಸನ್ ಅವರು.
ನೀವ್ಯಾರು?
ನಾನು ಹರೀಶ್ ಅಂತ.
ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಸತೀಶ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ RS ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Who is RS? ಅದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
RS is coming.
ಓಕೆ, RS ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
This is Rangnath sir, I think. Rangnath sir.
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬೇಡ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬೇಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ನಂಜುಂಡಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಇದರಿಂದ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇದಾಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ, RS ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, NB ರಂಗನಾಥ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು.
NB ರಂಗನಾಥ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಂಗೇರಿ. ರಂಗನಾಥ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ,
NB ರಂಗನಾಥ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ ನಂದು. ಈಗ
ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರೀನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಮೀ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ,
ನನಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ,
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ,
ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್
ಹೆಸರು
ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಾಗ NB ರಂಗನಾಥ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ನಾಳೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಸರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸರ್, 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನು 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ವಾ, ಆಗ ನಾನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತೀನಾಗ
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಉಯಿಸ್ MLKGPkumar@gmail.com, ಯಾರಿದು? ಯಾರು? MLKkumar@gmail.com. Who is this? MLKGVkumar@gmail.com ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Who is this?
This is in offline. ಮಲ್ನಾಥ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಮಲ್ನಾಥ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, tomorrow while entering into this online program, you please confirm that your name will be same. Okay, don't change your name or with some symbols, something like that. Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 5 ಗಂಟೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನೇಮು. ಈಗ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ಇದಾಯ್ತು.
ಈಗ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ
OVD facilities there sir.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್
ಯಾರು? ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್?
OVD facility.
OVD ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ.
I'm not going college.
ಇಲ್ಲ, OVD ಲೆಟರ್ನ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ರಿಲೀವ್ ಲೆಟರ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Attending.
Attendance ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ರಿಲೀವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್
ನಾವು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ
ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದಿ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ರಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ OVD ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಂದ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಗೊಂದಲಾಗೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಫ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎನಫ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಹಲೋ
Hello sir.
Tell me.
I received a relieving order from my higher authority, sir.
Okay.
I'm just informing you, sir.
We need only permission letter. That's enough for us.
Okay, sir. But they relieved me, and I am.
Okay, keep it with you. This for your purpose you can keep. For your safety.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Anything else, sir? Otherwise, you can send SMS in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will answer. Okay.
Hello.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Hello.
Meet you tomorrow. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Malad sir.
Hello, sir.
Malad Kumar sir. Okay. Oh, tell me, sir. Krishna.
Sir, I am Krishanu from Calcutta. Yes, sir. Sir, I was wondering the recordings of the lectures. Can it be shared with us?
Yeah, certainly. We will provide you the reading material that is in the form of DVD after the program is over. Because after the program we have some other work. Evaluation part is pending. Okay. Seminar, assignment, everything will be done. Then only we will send the certificates. By that time, along with the certificate, we will send the DVD, the reading material in the form of DVD.
Okay, sir, at the end of the course, we have to submit an exam, right? At the end of the course, we need to sit for an exam.
You are supposed to attend the exam. Okay, you please go through the instruction sheet. Okay.
Oh, sir,
Actually,
actually, I was thinking if you can share the certificates earlier so that we.
No, don't expect any reading material in advance. Only after the completion of this program, you can get reading material. That is also in the form of DVD, not hard copy also.
Okay.
Don't expect anything. You can make on your own some points, or you can go on record on your own. Okay.
Sir, I was trying to record the program, but it was showing that you are not permitted to record.
If you wish, you can. Okay.
Sir, here it is asking for permission from the administrator to record the program.
Okay, you can do it, no problem.
Oh, sir, so please permit us.
This one, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
You can go on recording as you wish. Okay, if you have the facility, you can go on recording. Okay.
Sir, while I was trying to record the program on Zoom, it was showing that you are not permitted to record the program by the administrator.
For us also. Okay, this was the first program you are organizing under online method. Okay.
I think the admin can only record the program, sir. The participant can't record the program.
What's that?
Yeah, only the admin of the Zoom will record the program. Other participants can't record the program. Yes.
But it's a risky and time consuming, because each recording, one session recording.
That is better to share the link, sir. That is enough. Yeah, it is better to share the link, sir. That is enough for us.
Okay, that I can do. Okay.
Recording links.
All the parts, resource persons
okay, thank you,
will be given to you. Please contact the resource person. Okay, if you have any doubts or any information. Okay, we will provide you the.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. You directly contact the resource person. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Shall I end?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.